Alright. So, I'm just going to give you video on changing the foot pegs and changing the oil on a yz85. This is a 2006 model. I know there ain't no videos out there really on how to change these, but because the way Yamaha built this, you gotta take this side case off, the clutch cover case. You gotta take that off in order to take this side off. Now on this other side over here, this side, you don't need to do that. You can just take that pin out. And so I'm going to go ahead and change my oil and show you guys that as I'm taking this off, since I already got to take this off and got to drain the oil anyways. But anyways, on the yz85, there's not an oil drain plug down here at the bottom like on normal bikes. This bolt right here, where you drain your oil from, there's a little tab right there too, and it's right in this area, so it's right behind this, so this kind of gets in the way, so you got to get a socket and a little socket and then a ratchet to break that loose, unless you want to hold that down like that and get in there with something else. But that's the oil drain plug. At first I didn't know what it was. I had to look in the owner's manual, but that's where it's at if you're wondering. And I know you're supposed to use certain oil fluid in there, but 10W40 motor oil works just fine. I've been using it. You can use transmission oil too. I've had buddies that use transmission oil. I'm just going to drain this oil out since I've been riding it and it needs an oil change anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I believe it is a 10mm. I'm not for sure. Let me check. Yes, it's a 10mm socket. And I'm going to be using my impact driver just to make things quick. Make sure this thing's in reverse. Because it's easier for me to use the impact driver and show you guys this stuff. There's the oil draining. See, that's oil. Let me get this pulled out all the way, and there she is, going all over my shed floor and everything, because I don't have it over enough. Oh crap. But that oil, I really didn't even need to change it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways, because I don't have anything else to drain it into. Well, actually I did, because it was... Now, I'll have to wait for that drain. And I'll have to hold this bike up. While it's draining. But that's Yamaha's drain plug for the YZ. 85. And I'm pretty sure it's like that on the 125 and all their other bikes, because if it's on one, it's on all. Typically. But there's a bunch of oil all over my shed floor now. All that's oil. And I'm going to have to get a rag here. But I'm going to set you guys down for a minute so I can get this back up on the stand right. It's just a drain in, and I don't have anything to clean it up. Yes, I do. Shed soaked in oil. I almost lost the plug itself. But yeah, it was actually good and due for an oil change. So, yeah, that, if it focuses, that's how big your oil plug is. And just put that down where you remember where you put it. So I'm gonna let that drain out. Alright, so I believe these bolts are an 8. Yes. They are an 8. I'm going to take these, lay them over here. I'm hoping, and just for reference, put them in the order you took them out so that you don't lose them. Because this bolt here is longer than the rest of these. So I'm just doing this top, with the top right, top left, that one at the edge, the other one at the edge. I'm going to do that the same with the bottom ones. That's why I just don't mix up the screws, put them in the wrong spot. Do that with everything, actually. Like that. That one was kind of hard to get out. And that one's longer too. Hoping I don't have to replace this gasket. look like I have to at all, so. I'm good there. Get this off. This is the first time having this bad boy off, and that. No clutches look good. I was told by the guy that I bought it from that the bottom end was rebuilt. It looks like it has been, so. And I definitely do not have to do anything else with that. But for giggles, I'm going to put this. I'm gonna put you guys over there. I ain't dropping you in the oil. Alright, so I'm going to put the oil plug back in. So all the oil's already drained out. I'm not going to tighten it all the way, I'm just going to finger tighten it. Get all the excess oil off of there. Get it finger tight. So I ain't dripping any more oil everywhere. I got a mess on my shed floor, like really a mess. I was not expecting it to go over the floor like that at all. Now we got the case off. Oil all drained out. Now we can do what I was wanting to do is, and I'll show you. Because I'm the bigger rider, these foot pegs, I do not keep my feet on most of the time. They slip off. I'm used to a bigger bike. So I bought these bad boys. They're wider. They're called the fat pegs, and they also got the things on the little metal things right there so you can have grip on your boots. So I'm going to be replacing those. Now, there's a cotter pin right here. Bend that, pop that out, and then you got to pull this out. I already tried taking this off, so it's already halfway bent. And I realized I had to take off the clutch cover. So, now I gotta find the pliers. There they are. That's all it is to it. That's all to it. Pop that cotter pin out. Don't lose it in your oil. You just place that right there. And then there's a washer that's right underneath of it. You can place that with it. Now, you just push this pin out.